We have 50 fresh loaves in the production output warehouse. Now we sell some. In ZetaFisc, selling finished goods follows 3 steps: raise a customer invoice with the product on it, receive the payment, then dispatch the goods from the warehouse, and only the dispatch reduces your stock. We create a new invoice, dated today, and bill our customer Northgate Retail. On the line, instead of typing a description, we use the inventory item drop-down. This links the sale to our finished bread, so the system knows to reduce that exact stock. We pick the artisan sourdough loaf. We are selling 20 loaves at 1,500 naira each. The description filled in automatically from the item. We create the customer invoice. The invoice is raised. Behind the scenes, ZetaFisc has created a pending stock movement for the 20 loaves, but the stock has not moved yet. We open the invoice and record the customer's payment. They pay in full, 32,250 naira including VAT, into our bank account. We record it. Payment recorded. That payment flips the stock movement to ready to dispatch. The warehouse team can now ship the loaves. We open inventory movements, the central log of every item coming in and going out. Our sale shows as ready to dispatch. We click dispatch. We choose the warehouse the loaves are leaving from, production output, where production placed them, confirm the quantity of 20, and dispatch. The 20 loaves are dispatched. The stock movement is now marked dispatched. Our finished goods stock has dropped from 50 to 30, and the customer is automatically emailed a dispatch note. This inventory movements table is your full audit trail. Let me walk across it so you can see every column and every action. Each row shows the type, purchase coming in, sale going out, the item, the quantity, the change in stock, the warehouse, the linked document, and the status. The action buttons change with the status: receive for incoming goods awaiting delivery, dispatch for paid sales ready to ship, and a dispatch note download once shipped. This single screen tracks every movement of stock through your business.